Today, we're going to talk about something called superlatives. Now, they have a super scary name, but they're not really scary at all. So, what is a superlative? Well, first, let's think about what is an adjective. So, an adjective is something that describes something. And let's talk about some basic adjectives in English, like pretty. What about smart? What about happy? These are basic adjectives. But what if I want to make it super, like really, really exciting? Well, that's what we're going to do here. So if the superlative of pretty would be the prettiest, because it is the most of something, which is what the superlative means. It can also be very pretty. Both of these are superlatives. So what about smart? Smart will become smartest, or very smart. And happy will become happiest, or very happy. So you'll notice that superlatives will end with the est form, or have the word very in front of it to let you know it is the most of something. Like you can have, this is an apple, a big apple, or you can have the biggest apple. So that's what we're discussing today. So let's talk about what they look like in Latin. Now in Latin, our adjectives come in a set of 3. They look like this: bellus, bella, bellum. And they come in this way because these are adjectives for masculine things, feminine things, and neuter things. For example, if you were describing a beautiful woman, you would kind of call her a bella femina, because femina is feminine. But if you want to say a beautiful man, you'd use bellus vir, because he's masculine. And I point this out to it because your superlative is also going to be the same. So how do we actually form them in Latin? Well, you go to your feminine one, which is your second, and you take off the A. So you got bell. Then you're going to add the letters I, S, S, I. And then you're probably also going to have an M here. And then you can add your gender back. So bella is beautiful, but bellissima is very beautiful. But you could also have it be bellissimus or bellissimum by just adding an us or an What if we have the word lightus, lita, lightum, happy? So in order to form the superlative, we'd go to our second principal part, drop the A, and our superlatives become lightissimus for the masculine, lightissima, ligtissimum. You'll notice superlatives by this ise inside of your adjective. That lets you know you're going to translate it with an est, such as the happiest, or very in front, very happy. So let's see it in a sentence. So let's take a look at this sentence here. You'll see that this has an ise in it. So that's letting us know that this is a superlative adjective. And it's coming from the word callida, because that's what it would be without the isma in it. And that would mean clever. So femina erat, the woman was, and if it was callida, it would be clever, but this is callidissima. So this is, the woman was very clever, or the cleverest.